Milgo Plus.
Jack's here from Legend Brands. Today we're going to discuss the super affordable, universal cleaner and broad spectrum disinfectant that actually treats the source, not just covers it up. Milgo Plus. Now, when I say affordable, I mean it. This stuff is concentrated. 1 gallon makes 64 gallons at 2 ounces per gallon. As far as its universal use, flooding, water damage, even sewer backup in households, hospitals, institution, industrial. It inhibits the growth of mold and mildew, sanitizes surfaces, and controls odors even in the most difficult materials, including carpets and other porous and non-porous surfaces. Now, Milgo Plus kills, how do you pronounce that?
Methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA, hepatitis C, Pseudomonas, Legionella, human coronavirus, SARS-associated coronavirus, HIV-1, hepatitis B and C, and many other microorganisms.
Whatever she said. Legend Brands.